Neil warned us there'd be a lot of smoke today. That takes care of any lingering mosquito problem here in scenic Fayette County. Over 12,000 horsepower and a thrust-to-weight ratio that was 4-to-1. Your Neil Darnell say earlier, flash fire will go from 0 to 60 in about 1 second. 3 times faster than an F-15 fighter jet on acceleration. Neil will experience up to 6 times the force of gravity. And as the huge parachute opens after his flight, he'll slow the truck from 350 to 250 miles an hour in just 1 second. None. Negative G. Slamming the driver forward to the safety line. But it's got to happen. If that chute doesn't come out, Neil Darnell was an I-75 headed to Florida. That powerful Pratt & Whitney jet engine in the jet truck was originally involved in an ABT-2 Buckeye jet. That engine cost the U.S. taxpayer over $1 million. But Neil wanted a surplus, and he's ready to rock and roll in front of you today. Now, 375 miles an hour is certainly the potential for flash fire, folks. Correct me if I'm wrong, Bob Grove, but our Great Georgia Air Show runway speed record is 367.3 miles an hour. Bob Grove thinks with these conditions here, the warm track and the light winds today, we will very well. There he comes, folks. Here it goes. Here's your left. Wow, he got to a fan.
They was a 60, 1 second.
I think he's going to be catching up.
Wow, folks, that was a great piece of driving. Did Neil Darnell get off the ground? I think he did. What have we got here? 355 miles an hour, ladies and gentlemen. Bob Grove says so the Great Georgia Air Show speed record is still intact. Neil Darnell should have another shot at it later today for our grand finale. Team Chaos. Who will race Neil Darnell in the jet truck? You heard a bunch of trash talk from Randy Harris a little earlier today. And you know who came storming up in the announcer stand to throw the glove down? Well, Mr. Gary Ward did. Okay, I've got Gary Ward here now. He's the MX2 driver you're going to see burning up the sky later today. He's not too happy that Neil Darnell and Randy Harris are up here trash-talking him about who gets to race the jet truck at the end of the day. You got something to say about that?
Yes, I do, Scott. Yeah, I'm part of the Team Chaos deal, and I'm down in my airplane, and I overhear I hear Neil and Randy up there just talking about me and being older and this kind of stuff. Well, true, I'm older, but I tell you what, I'm in better shape than both of those guys put together. All you have to do is look at the guts on those two guys. And as far as me going to bed early, I'm the one that closes the parties and the bars down at night, and I'm trying to uphold the team image.
Listen, when people see you fly, they're going to have an awful lot to say to them, I'm sure, before this day is done. Are you willing to settle this on the field?
Oh, yeah, well, we're going to settle it just shortly here. And it's like, I think it was Kermit the Frog said, it ain't easy being green.